Hello children. Good morning to all my dear students. Children, I hope you are doing good at home and not troubling anyone. You have to protect yourself from the virus, so be safe at home. Okay children? Children, last week Sabha teacher had taught you all standing line. You remember standing line? Today we are going to do sleeping line. So let us have first quick revision of standing line. This is standing line. Standing line. You have to go from up till down. And how to do sleeping line? When you do like this, it is sleeping line. For sleeping line, you have to go from one side to other side. This is sleeping line. One side to other side. When you sleep, when you lie on the bed, that position is called sleeping position. Can you sleep while standing? And can you stand and sleep? No. To sleep, you have to sleep like this. And you stand like this. Are you getting me, children? So, let us do some writing work. Let us do some thing with crayons. This is standing line. You all know it, right? Now, let us do sleeping line. This is sleeping line. From one side to other side, you have to go. That is called sleeping line. Let us make dots and try to do sleeping line. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, and you make a sleeping line. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, and you make a sleeping line. So this is sleeping line. Are you getting me, children? Now, let us do sleeping line here also. But let me revise this first. This is a flower and the stick is standing line. The stick of this flower is in a standing line. So, let us make the stem of this flower in a standing line. See? This flower and the stem of this is in a standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. And now let us do sleeping line. From one side to go other side, you have to do sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. See children, here we have a rabbit. Rabbit wants to eat carrot. For that, we have to do sleeping line and help this rabbit to reach this carrot. So, let us do sleeping line. See, with help of these dots, I made sleeping line. Can you see, children? From one side to other side, we have to do sleeping line. This is standing line and this is sleeping line. Children, see, this auntie has kept this pot in a standing position. And this girl has planted some saplings in sleeping position. See? Sleeping line and standing line. Can you see the difference? This is like this and standing line is like this. Let us do some more sleeping lines. See? Teacher has made some sleeping lines. This is sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Now let us make some more sleeping line. Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Let us make sleeping line. Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Let us make sleeping line. See, with the help of the dots, teacher made sleeping line. Now let us see the bear. He wants to go near the tree. Let us make sleeping line and help this bear to reach this tree. See, teacher has this broken lines. Now teacher will join it. Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Let this bear go to the tree. See, teacher made sleeping line. Now this bear can go near the tree. The same way, I want this deer to go where the grass is. He wants to eat this grass. So let us make sleeping line and help this deer to reach the grass. See, teacher made sleeping line. Now this deer will go near the grass. This is monkey. He has one banana but he wants one more banana. So let us make sleeping line for monkey and help him to go to the banana. See children, this is sleeping line. From one side, you have to go other side. Let us do here also some standing and sleeping line. See, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Standing line, standing line, standing line. Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Standing line, standing line, standing line. Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Standing line, standing line, standing line. And the last is again sleeping line. See? Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Children, I have one more thing to show you. That is, can you see this boat? Yes. Where is this boat? The boat is sailing on the water. Now, I want you all to make the boat and then we will make sleeping line and help this boat to sail in the water. So, let us make sleeping line on a 4-line book. Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Let us make sleeping line. See, teacher made sleeping lines. Can you see children? Will you make sleeping line and show me? You have to make sleeping line on the book and show it to teacher. The same way like the teacher is doing. Okay children, see this is the way you can do sleeping line. You have to go from one side to another. Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Okay children, so now you understood the concept of sleeping line. This is sleeping line. From one side you have to go other side. Okay children, I hope you got me and you will practice at home with your mummy and daddy. Till then, bye children. Have a good day. Bye.